Look at this. Yee. Turbosmart. This thing is shiny, bro. Today is a weird kind of day, so today I'm heading to NJ's speed shop because, well, that's a long story. So I don't know if you can hear that a weird sound coming from the right side of my car. So last week I went to NJ's speed shop to replace my drive belt, only to find out my drive belt tensioner is wearing out. So yeah, today we're gonna go there again and replace my drive belt tensioner. And to be mindful, this is not the shop's fault. Like, the car is wearing out. It's an old car. Like, it's 10 years old. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so the master mechanic is out. He will be back in 2 minutes. Just gotta call. Jeez, look at this Euro spec tail light, dude. It is sick. Maybe I need one of this someday. Maybe I also need like a red strap. What do you guys think? Do I stay with the gray or do I go with the red? Jesus, the white wheel, guys. I need to clean them again. I need to clean them like next time I wash my car. Maybe like today or like sometime in the future, but soon. And just like that, it's back. Yes, so today when I was trying to record a video, the sound is gone for some reason.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and yeah, I don't know. And yesterday it was still there. It's just so unstable. Sleeping 3 hours per day, and he's still alive. How? How?
Extreme caffeine coffee.
Jesus.
From Quick Check.
Oh my god.
Stop it. Get some help.
Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. I'ma wake up, go dumb. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'ma put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy.
Okay, so my turbo is gone. Maybe we need a new turbo soon. No! 200 wheel horsepower soon.
300.
300, 400.
Yeah.
Problem in it?
Nope.
Nope. Oh, that's good news. It broke. It sound of broken. All that wiggly, whatever, squeaky sound. It sound of me being broke. Maybe if I get rich, maybe even a TJ upgrade.
Oh, there you go.
TJ swap. Yeah, we're getting there. Eventually we'll get there.
Eventually.
Eventually. Moment of truth. None of them is like wrong. It's like circular. I have to balance them. Like my whole shop laughed at me, you know, for doing that. And all this paint, all this white paint are like shitty paints. I bought them from like Home Depot. I paint them myself, and you know.
Why'd you leave the backs?
I kind of want black and white combination. Yeah, I kind of like it. I think it's gonna look nice, and it looks nice. If you don't look it closely, it looks nice.
No, it doesn't look bad.
No.